Hello students, today I am going to teach you different ways of finding Pythagorean triplet. Now there are three methods to find this. First, method 1. Method 1, it states that if the square of the largest number, if the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the squares is equal to the sum of the squares of the two smaller numbers, then the three given numbers will form a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Now, how to apply this? For example, if we consider three numbers, say A, B, and C, okay, and C is the largest. C is the largest. Then, if these three numbers will satisfy, C square is equal to sum of the squares of the two smaller numbers, that is A square plus B square. Then these three numbers A, B, C will form a Pythagorean triplet. And if C square is not equal to A square plus B square, then these three will not form a Pythagorean triplet. Now we take one example. Say three numbers 3, 4, and 5. Three numbers 3, 4, and 5. We have to check this one is Pythagorean triplet or not. Now if we apply this method, what is the largest one? 5. Okay, and 5 square is 25. Then check the sum of the squares of the two smaller numbers, that is 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square equals to 9 plus 16 equals to 25. So here we get 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Therefore 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Clear? Another example, we take 6, 7, and 8. Okay, applying this same method. Which one is largest? 8 is largest. So 8 square is equals to 64. 8 square is equal to 64. And sum of the squares of two smaller numbers, that is 6 square plus 7 square. Check 6 square plus 7 square equals to 36 plus 49 equals to 85. Okay, now here we see that 64 is not equal to 85. 64 is not equal to 85. So 8 square is not equal to 6 square plus 7 square. Therefore 6, 7, 8 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Yeah. Now method 2. Method 2. What is the method? If we consider two m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Now what is this? Let me clear. 2m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Let the smallest even number be 2m. Okay, this smallest even number be 2m, and from this find the value of m. Okay, find m. Then find 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. If you get the triplet, means the given one. If you get the triplet, it is Pythagorean. Okay, now let us take one example. Taking the same example 3, 4 and 5 using the second method. Okay. Now first we have to consider the smallest even number as 2m. Yeah. So what is the smallest even number from this? Obviously 4 is the smallest even number from this. So here 2m is equal to 4. 2m equal to 4. Now from this we have to find the value of m. M equal to then 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. Yeah. Now we have to find the value of m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. M square minus 1 is 2 square minus 1 equal to 3, and m square plus 1 is 2 square plus 1 equal to 5. Now dear students, see, we have got 3, 4 and 5, that is 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. We have got this form. Okay, 2m is 4, m square minus 1 is 3 and m square plus 1 is 5. We have got this form. So we can say that 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Yeah. Okay, next another example applying method 2. We take that 6, 7 and 8. Which one is the smallest even number? Here 6. So 2m is equal to 6, then m is equal to 3. Yeah, now find m square minus 1 equal to 3 square minus 1, that is 9 minus 1 equal to 8, and m square plus 1, that is 3 square plus 1 equal to 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Now see, we have got that 6, 8 and 10, but the given one is 6, 7 and 8. So it is not matching with this. Therefore 6, 7 and 8 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Clear? Okay. Third method. First, we are taking three numbers, any three numbers A, B, C. Okay, and A, B, C are three natural numbers, where A is the smallest of them. Okay, here A is the smallest. A is smallest. Okay. Now there are two conditions. First, if A is odd, if A is odd, okay, sum of other two number is A square. Sum of other two numbers mean B plus C. Okay, sum of other two numbers mean B plus C. Sum of other two number is A square and their difference is 1. Okay, and number 2, then we can say that ABC is a Pythagorean triplet. And number 2, if A is even, then sum of other two numbers is A square by 2 and their difference is 2. Yeah, then we can say that ABC is Pythagorean triplet. So we have to follow this. If A is odd, then these conditions. If A is even, then these conditions. Now let us take one example. First, we are taking 3, 4, 5. Okay. So comparing with ABC, what is A? A is the smallest of them. Now what is the smallest of these three? This is the 3. So here A equal to 3. Here A equal to 3. And we have to think that the value of A is odd or even. 3, obviously it is odd. It is odd. Then we have to follow this rule. Then we have to follow this rule. Sum of other two numbers. Other two numbers means 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay. Now see, 9 we can write 3 square, and it should be equal to A square. Now what is A? 3. So we have written 3 square. You can write in the form of A square. So it is satisfying. The sum of other two numbers is A square, and we have to check the difference also. Obviously you have to subtract the smaller one from the larger one. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay, see, their difference is 1. So 3, 4, 5 satisfying this. Okay, right, therefore 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Okay, next we are taking another example in which A is even. In which A is even. 10, 24, 26. Okay, if we compare this with a b c, then a is the smallest one, here smallest one is 10, so a is even, right? A equal to 10, a equal to 10 which is even. Okay, a equal to 10 which is even. Now when it is even, we have to follow this rule. If a is even, sum of other two numbers is a square by 2. So other two numbers, sum of other two numbers means 24 plus 26 is equal to 50. 50 we can write 100 divided by 2 equals to, we can write 10 square divided by 2, that is, it is of the form a square divided by 2. So we have got sum of other two numbers is a square by 2. Now we have to check their difference and it should be 2. Let us check. The difference of 26 and 24 is 2. Then we can say that 10, 24, 26 is a Pythagorean triplet. Is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Let us take more examples by applying method 3. Okay. So we have taken 3, 4, 5, 10, 24, 26. Next we are taking 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. If we compare this with a b c, then a is the smallest, so a equal to 6 and it is even. It is even. It is even. Okay. Now we have to check their sum. We have to check their sum because sum of other two should be a square by 2. 7 plus 8 equal to 15. Okay, 15. And if you check what is a square by 2, a square by 2 is equal to 6 square by 2, that is 36 by 2, that is 18. So a square by 2 is 18 and their sum is 15, that is, it is not equals to a square by 2. Clear? And if we check their difference, 8 minus 7, then it is 1, but it should be 2. So 8 minus 7 equal to 1, which is not equal to 2. Then we can say 6, 7, 8 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Clear? Okay, today up to this.